Welcome to our channel, the go-to place for all your travel gear needs. Today we're diving into the world of travel bags specifically designed for women. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or a long journey, choosing the right travel bag can make all the difference. We've researched and tested a variety of bags to bring you the top picks that combine style, functionality, and durability. Stay tuned as we explore the features, design, and much more of each bag to help you make the perfect choice for your next adventure. Number 1. Vera Women's Travel Duffel Bag is more than just a piece of luggage. It's a statement of style and functionality. Known for its vibrant quilted cotton fabric, this bag brings a splash of color to your travel ensemble. The soft exterior is complemented by a robust and roomy interior, making it an ideal choice for those who tend to pack a little extra. Design-wise, the bag features several pockets, including ones that are perfect for storing your essentials like passports and travel documents, ensuring they're always within easy reach. The adjustable and removable shoulder strap adds a layer of versatility, allowing you to carry it over the shoulder or by the handles. In terms of durability and quality, Vera bags are known for their excellent craftsmanship. This duffel bag is no exception, with its machine-washable fabric that stands up well to frequent use, making it a reliable choice for avid travelers. It's not just durable but also highly functional, with enough space to make packing a breeze without being cumbersome to carry. Number 2. DELSEY Rolling Under Seat Tote Bag is a perfect choice. This compact yet spacious bag fits neatly under an airplane seat, making it ideal for both short trips and as a supplementary carry-on for longer journeys. Its exterior is crafted from durable polyester, designed to withstand the rigors of travel. The design features smooth rolling wheels and a telescopic handle, which make navigating through airports a breeze. Additionally, the bag's smart layout includes multiple compartments and pockets that help organize everything from electronics to toiletries. Quality is paramount with DELSEY, and this tote bag showcases this with its robust construction and thoughtful features like a water-resistant finish. Usability is also a key factor, with its easy access front pocket that allows quick retrieval of travel documents and other essentials. This tote exemplifies durability with its reinforced corners and scratch-resistant fabric, ensuring it remains a go-to travel piece for years. Moreover, its efficient use of space and lightweight design does not compromise on storage capacity, proving effective for keeping your travel essentials organized and accessible. Number 3. BAGSMART Travel Sport Duffel Bag is tailored for those who seek a blend of sportiness and sophistication in their travel gear. This bag is designed with a sleek, modern aesthetic and is made from high-density polyester fabric, making it both stylish and sturdy. Its structure is reinforced with robust zippers and adjustable, padded shoulder straps that provide comfort and ease of movement, making it ideal for longer travels. The bag's spacious main compartment can hold all your travel necessities, while the separate shoe compartment keeps your footwear away from clean clothes. The BAGSMART Duffel shines in usability with its multi-purpose design that suits various travel scenarios, from airport sprints to relaxed road trips. Its water-resistant fabric ensures that your belongings stay dry no matter the weather, adding an extra layer of reliability. Durability is a key feature of this bag, supported by its tear-resistant materials and strong stitching. Its functionality is enhanced by several well-placed pockets, which help keep things organized and accessible, making it a highly effective travel bag for those who value organization and style. Number 4. MyMealivos Canvas Weekender Bag combines the classic appeal of canvas with modern functionality, making it an excellent choice for the style-conscious traveler. This bag's vintage-inspired design is perfectly suited for those who appreciate a timeless look, while its spacious interior offers ample room for all travel essentials. Constructed from high-quality canvas paired with vegan leather accents, this weekender bag is not only eco-friendly but also durable. The material is resilient enough to handle the wear and tear of travel, ensuring longevity and sustained appearance. The usability of the MyMealivos Weekender is enhanced by its versatile carrying options, including detachable shoulder straps and sturdy handle grips. It features multiple compartments and pockets that help keep belongings organized, from clothes to gadgets, enhancing its effectiveness as a travel bag. Furthermore, this bag's large main compartment is ideal for packing for a few nights away, while side pockets provide quick access to smaller items. Its durability and robust design make it a reliable companion for frequent travelers who need a bag that can keep up with their adventures. Number 5. F.FETIVIN Weekender Bag, a stylish and functional choice for the modern traveler. This bag stands out with its elegant design, featuring a soft, quilted texture and a versatile color palette that complements any travel outfit. The quality is top-notch, crafted from durable materials that resist wear and tear, ensuring it can handle the rigors of travel. In terms of usability, the F.FETIVIN Weekender is designed with convenience in mind. It includes a spacious main compartment that can easily hold all your essentials for a short trip. Additionally, the bag features multiple organizational pockets that help keep your items neatly arranged and easily accessible. Durability is another key aspect of this weekender bag. It's made with robust materials that are built to last, providing excellent value for money. Furthermore, its practical features like the adjustable shoulder strap and sturdy zippers enhance its effectiveness, making it a reliable companion for your travels. With its combination of style, space, and strength, the F.FETIVIN Weekender Bag is an excellent choice for any traveler looking for a dependable and chic travel solution. Number 6. Bago 60 Liters Sports and Travel Duffel Bag, an ideal option for those who need a little extra space. This duffel bag is designed with a massive 60-liter capacity, perfect for longer trips or for those who like to pack a bit more. The design is practical yet trendy, featuring a variety of colors and a clean, functional style that appeals to all. Quality is a hallmark of the Bago 60 liters, constructed from high-grade, water-resistant materials that protect your belongings in varied weather conditions. Its usability extends beyond just capacity. The bag includes several compartments and pockets that organize everything from clothes to gadgets, making packing and unpacking a breeze. Durability is not compromised either. The Bago duffel is reinforced at stress points and uses heavy-duty zippers that won't give out under pressure. Effectiveness is enhanced with its convertible nature, easily switching from a duffel to a backpack with its adjustable straps, providing versatility depending on your travel needs. For anyone needing a reliable, spacious bag that keeps everything organized and accessible, the Bago 60 Liters Sports and Travel Duffel is a fantastic pick. Finally, number 7. BAOSHA HB28 Ladies Women Canvas Travel Weekender Bag. This piece combines a classic weekender style with modern features that cater specifically to the traveling woman. The design is vintage-inspired with a canvas exterior and leather accents that provide a timeless look while remaining functional for today's traveler. The quality of the BAOSHA HB28 is evident in its construction, using high-quality canvas paired with genuine leather components that enhance both its appearance and durability. The bag's usability shines with its well-thought-out interior, featuring sufficient compartments and pockets to store all your essentials neatly. Durability is a key feature, as the canvas material is not only stylish but also strong enough to withstand the demands of travel. The bag's effectiveness as a travel companion is undeniable, offering a lightweight option without compromising on space or style. For those who appreciate a blend of classic and contemporary in their travel gear, the BAOSHA HB28 is a must-have, ensuring you travel in style and comfort. Thank you for joining us as we explored the top travel bags tailored for women. Each of these bags offers a unique blend of style, functionality, and durability, perfect for any trip. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more insightful reviews. Safe travels and see you in the next video.